Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of understanding Gantt charts, creating one in Excel, and customizing it to meet your project management needs. Let's start by understanding what a Gantt chart is and why it's essential for project management. A Gantt chart is a visual representation of a project schedule, showing tasks, start and end dates, and task dependencies. It's named after Henry Gantt, who developed it in the early 20th century. Gantt charts help in visualizing project progress, identifying delays, and managing resources. They are excellent for communicating project plans to stakeholders and team members. Now, let's dive into creating a Gantt chart in Excel. Open Excel and create a new spreadsheet. Enter your project data into the column Task, Start Date, Duration, and End Date. Select the data cells, then go to the Insert tab and choose Chart from the Charts group. Insert a Gantt chart in your spreadsheet. Next, let's explore how to customize the appearance of your Gantt chart. Right-click on the chart and select Format Chart area to change colors, font sizes, and design elements. To add or edit tasks, simply modify the data in the spreadsheet. The chart will update automatically. Now, let's learn how to add task descriptions to the left side of your Gantt chart. Right-click on the chart and select Select Data. To open the Select Data Source window, choose Start Date under Legend Entries and click Edit. Select the task names from the spreadsheet as axis labels. Want to make your Gantt chart more visually appealing? Let's enhance the design. Click on the bars to select them. Right-click and choose Format Data Series. Experiment with options to change the appearance, such as fill colors, gradients, and more. Adjust settings under Format Chart area to further customize your chart's look. Before we conclude, let us recap the main components of Gantt chart. Task, represented as horizontal bars indicating task duration. Time scale, shows project length in weeks, months, or other units. Task dependencies, indicates the order of task completion. You have learned what a Gantt chart is, how to create one in Excel, customize it, and enhance its design. Gantt charts are powerful tools for project management and organization. Thank you for watching our tutorial on Gantt charts in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.